You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Malaysian actress and singer. If you want to learn more music celebrity names, movie celebrity names too, stay tuned. Malay pronunciation, Erra Fazira. Erra Fazira. Therefore, in English, how to pronounce Erra Fazira. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.